Hello everyone. If you're tired of your Wi-Fi disconnecting randomly on your Windows 11 laptop or PC, in today's tutorial we will help you troubleshoot and fix the Wi-Fi dropping issues for once and for all. So make sure to watch this video till the end and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials. So the first thing we can do is we can head over to Device Manager and open it up within our control panel and look out for your network adapters here and go ahead and expand it up. Once you do so, you can look out for the network that you're currently connected. Mine is this one right here, MediaTek. So I can right click on it and go to properties and go over and find the driver option and look out for the driver date and the driver version and see if it is up to date or yes. And you can look out for your driver here and you can basically go ahead and search for internet and find if it is on the latest version. If yes, if not, you can just go ahead and download the version for driver for this and you can just go ahead and click on update driver here and then you can just go ahead and look out for this option, browse my computers for driver, and go ahead and select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers and go ahead and select your driver here and click on next and complete this up. Apart from that, you can right click on it again and go to update driver. From here you can search automatically for drivers as well, and once you do so you can basically install the drivers for your device, the best one automatically on your device. The next thing you can do is you can head over and reset your network settings. For that, what you can do is basically head over and search for settings. Open up your settings within your screen and go over and find the option for network and internet and open it up. Once you are here, you will be finding your network. You can scroll to the given options and find the option for advanced network settings and go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you may look out for your network here. Just go ahead and find the option for network reset under more settings and open this one right here. And after you do so, you can basically go ahead and click on reset now and confirm this one right here. And once it is completed, you can close this up and you can go to Wi-Fi right here. And you can basically go ahead and connect to the network on your device again and see if that fixes the issue. And apart from that, you can troubleshoot the network as well. Go to the search for troubleshoot, open up the troubleshoot settings, and you can head over to other troubleshooters. Go ahead and open this one right here, and once you find it, go ahead and find network and internet. Click on run, and you can run the troubleshooting for network and internet and close this up and see if it works. Or what you can do is hit Windows plus R and type in ncpa.cpl and hit OK and open it up. And you can go to your Wi-Fi. From there, go over to properties, right click on it, go to properties, and from properties, go ahead and find the option for Internet Protocol version 4. And from there, go to properties, and you can go ahead and use the DNS. Select the option for use the following DNS. And you can use the DNS for your Google DNS or the Cloudflare one. Right now I'm using Cloudflare one. You can just go ahead and do so, or you can use the Google DNS as well. And click on OK and restart your computer, and that should fix the issue for now. So that's it for today's video. You may try out this method and see if it works. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.